Oh my god, I keep hitting my mic probably. Okay, so I'm just gonna start. And I have this on. Hold on. We're gonna take one off more to show y'all, but I got so tired. Because I think when you don't have the information, the knowledge. In my heart. Day. I'm a mom and I'm tired. Okay. Very.
Baby, she's gone. She's gone. I'm scared.
Okay, so long story short, I need to do my nails. Thinking of something neutral or red. One of those. Oh my god, I keep hitting my mic probably. Okay, so I'm just gonna start soaking off my nails because I gotta get these things done because the ring needs to look cute and they're not looking cute right now. The nails are not looking cute right now with this ring. Where is all of my sanding bands and here we go. I think I'm gonna use this one here. Got my drill and ready to go. And I have this on. Hold on. We're gonna take one off. Alright. So we have a little bit left. I think not much on this one because I was drilling it off the other day, you guys. Much better. And for now, we'll leave it at 5. Let's see if that's good. Ooh, and I need to put it in forward. I think that's good. Now let's turn this on before we have this everywhere. That's bad. Yeah, that's good. Not too crazy here so that we're not burning ourselves. Sometimes being impatient is bad because I used to want it much higher so I can get it drilled down the most, and that's not good because eventually it burns your nail plate. Even through all those layers of the acrylic. So just be careful if you decide to do this. But this is how I technically do my nails at home. I have my own stuff so I can file it off. My own e-drills. I have a portable one as well. It's like a wireless, cordless one. And then, so I'm going to be soaking my nails off. And I did my nails for my birthday, you guys, with my friend Kimberly. I have that video up. If y'all want to check it out, put 7. I ordered new stuff. Well, not really. I just ordered nail files on the Amazon website. So I got the new files. I got the stuff at the Dollar Tree. I got the stuff at the nail supply store. I wanted to go to the Dollar Tree today. I would have had more to show y'all, but I got so tired from being out with the kids and stuff. It was very, very exhausting today. Yesterday we went to the beach and it was so much fun. I loved it. Like, if you guys are ever in Florida, you need to go check out the beach. The beaches are beautiful here. Alright, so what I like to do is with my left hand, I practice so much to learn how to hold it as if I was holding it with my right. So just very careful. The more you do this, the better. I know it's going to suck at the beginning. Be careful because practicing can obviously heighten the chances of you cutting yourself because you're practicing to get it right. And you know what happens when you practice something, you might fail sometimes. You might cut yourself, but you can prevent cutting yourself so much by just learning to practice and play with the drill on your left hand. And I'm using a 5-in-1 Pana bit from Amazon. You want to take off as much as possible, and you also want to make sure you're not taking off too much because you can literally damage the natural nail. We're going to be soaking these off in acetone anyway, and acetone is a chemical that helps soak off for anybody that's a beginner. That's what you use it for. You don't just use it for polish. You get pure acetone, and that's the type that removes a polish fast. Also is the one that you use to soak off gel polish or any acrylic enhancements, soft gel. But hard gel you can't soak off with acetone because obviously that one's more like I think you have to drill that one off. Yeah, you have to drill that one off. I don't really use hard gel on myself, or I've never used it on my clients like that at all, actually. So I've used soft gel on them, like to do extensions a little bit, like on their natural nail, actually. Not an extension, but on their natural nail. I don't recommend it. I've done it on natural nails. I don't know. I don't think I would recommend it, but maybe there's better products out there now. I haven't done that in a while. I've honestly just loved acrylic. And then I got to trying out some Timu Gel X kind of dupe thing, which turned out to be nice. And after I figured out how to use it, I loved it. But it really is more for somebody that doesn't know how to do nails. And it's fine too. That doesn't matter because honestly, it was a great product. I really liked the idea of it and the technology of it, especially for people at home or anybody that just wants to do their nails, or even nail techs that just want something where they don't have to worry about the smell of the acrylic, and they can do longer nails. You know what I'm saying? So there's a lot of benefits to that as well. But obviously, me, I know how to use acrylic and all that, so I love to use it. I have to actually order more because it's been like a while since I've done my nails with acrylic. My recent nails, these are acrylic, but like you guys, some of you guys know my last video. I got my nails done by my friend Kimberly, and she uses only acrylic. So even in the video, I think somebody had asked her. I don't know if it was on there, but somebody had asked her when she was doing my nails if she does dip, and she said no, she only does acrylic. So it just really depends. So my point was acrylic is a little bit harder to learn than Gel X or any Gel X dupe extension. But that doesn't mean it's a bad product. Just be careful, you guys. Like, I get so sad. My number one, well, yeah, my top videos are nail allergy videos. And I think it really is because people aren't careful. I mean, I get it. I'm a human. It happened to me, you know. Like, I got an allergic reaction multitude of times. But like, I think we're just impulsive, and we need to learn not to be super impulsive, because I think when you don't have the information and the knowledge, you guys, you're going to probably get an allergic reaction. And I've been really thinking about that lately, and I've been thinking like, I've been like, you know what? I really, really, really need to make my videos way more detailed, because I feel like people are just messing up their own skin, their nails, and they just want to learn to do nails at home, you know? If I can make a series to make it super, super basic and easy, like, why not, right? And just little by little, I'm taking it off. I'm not going too fast. It's at number 7 on there. When you come around here, be careful. You can go side to side. But you really got to be careful. You got to be careful when you go to the sides. Grab your skin and hold it back a little bit. Like, push it back with your other fingers. Let's see if I could do it here. Oh no, this is gonna be hard. Anyway, it's falling. Oh. The one come off? No. So it's like skipping a step. Well, thank God we're doing this today so that I can do them tomorrow, and I don't have to worry about soaking them off and doing them in one day, because I hate doing that, y'all. I don't like doing that. I hate it. I hate it. I hate it. I hate it. Let me know if y'all hate doing that too. I hate it. I'm happy that I decided to let's just do that, and then we will continue these shenanigans tomorrow, because I'm not continuing this today. I'm a mom and I'm tired. Okay, very tired. This is great. You're finally gonna be able to meet him. I don't know. I'm figuring it out. It's been like a month since we met him in that instant chat room. 11 o'clock. I'm out of here. I'm gonna do this tomorrow. See y'all tomorrow.
You do? Yeah? Going all the way to 200. I was right now wondering where's the other kid. I'm like, that's the older kid I have. What the hell? I'm like, somebody's missing. I'm like, no, you're right next to me. I feel like there was like a third small kid missing or something. Heck no. I'll go crazy. Baby, she's gone. She's gone. Do you feel relaxed here, puppy?
Yeah.
Right? Oops, I keep hitting my head here.
You're not as small as me.
No, I'm not. I'm short, but not that short. Look, there's some squirrels right there chilling. I'm scared. I'm scared.
There's squirrels, Mom.
Okay. Can I swing with you?
No, you can't. It's gonna break Mommy.
Oh, wow. That's nice. Well, I guess we're going down together. Whee!
We got a great
Look, Rayleigh. What?
crater right here. You come right here and I go right there. Please, Mom.
Wait, hold on. Whee! It looks like I'm going so fast. I'm gonna flip it. Oh, you can't flip it. That's the steady motion.
But you can't flip it. Is that what you said?
But you can't flip in the vlog.
Steady motion. Remember that?
Is that steady? Or no? I go in store and then this is just some files that I had to re-up on because I ran out. I only do my nails now, but even for myself, you guys, I can go through a lot of files if I do my own nails. So this should be good for the year, right? For me. I think these are like 20 bucks on Amazon. $20 in store at Cosmoprof, Salon Centric. Sorry, I don't think Cosmoprof has these very much. Sometimes they do, but very often Salon Centric has them. They had the last one, so I took this one. Then I have this Prolific nail care cuticle nipper, and I got this because the one that I got at the nail supply store recently was not good, so I got this one instead. So let's try that one out. This is a half jaw, and then this is a cuticle remover. It's a spoon pusher, and this reminds me of the one I got from nail school, so this is going to be great. So I'm just going to open these things up and I'm going to do my nails. I'm thinking of doing French with chrome, so let's see what we do.
Already? Oh.
Put it in here. Use a lot. Mira, mami, you got a lot too. I didn't think she was gonna do that.
Busque, busque. Just like Princess over here.
Riley, you cannot pull. Pulling is illegal. You got one at least. What? Oh.
You guys gotta go to Charlotte Windsor. Like, how are we gonna stop those pigs from whistling beautiful like Gorgonzola?
All right, so like I said, I found a place. So I'm a little tired right now, but I have found a place. We just haven't had time to move in. My husband has to fix the car tomorrow, and then we'll figure out. We'll probably just fix it and move there. If not, whatever, we'll get an Uber and move. I don't know, something. But my kids, I have to go be with them right now. I was doing math with Riley earlier. I made food, and then they're waiting for me because obviously the baby's in there, but I really had to check some stuff on the computer. All right, but that's it. You're going to see me move into a new place, so I'll be taking you guys on a ride.